Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before I get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you're from US, don't bother, you don't have a SIM tray. So as far as I can tell, I don't have a US version, so I can't really affirm that, but from what I've heard, US does not have SIM trays. So in your case, you would need to just scan the QR code for your eSIM. So when you have an eSIM, it comes with a QR code, and all you need to do, just to kind of quickly explain this, is grab your camera, point it at a QR code. So let's just do this. There we go, we got a good QR code. So let's just assume that this is your eSIM QR code, or whatever they're calling it. You just point it out and you can see it automatically pops up. Ah, damn it. Almost succeeded with that one. That's an interesting thumbnail right here for, oh, it's an ad, great. Anyway, that's what you would do for eSIM. For physical one, tool, and then find the tray, which is under the top of the device. Push it in. I'm gonna show it from the side as well. And from here you can just pull it out. On the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. And it only goes one way, by the way. And from there, you can insert it back into your device. Once you do so, it will automatically be detected and you can just pop in your SIM card pin to unlock it. And that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.